Hello there. In this video, I am gonna show you how to setting or changing passwords in Windows 11. Setting a password for your device is no longer part of luxury, as the information that has become on this type of device has become very private and relates to all aspects of life, from personal life to money and work. To avoid any problem that may occur as a result of someone accessing your device, let's put together a password for Windows 11. 1. Head to Settings. From the Start menu, choose the Settings shortcut. Windows 11 Settings Start menu. 2. Go to your account settings. From the Settings side menu, choose Account. 3. Choose Sign In options. 4. Set a new password or change the password. On the account settings page, you'll find 4 different options to sign in and protect your data on Windows 11. You can sign in with facial recognition through Windows Hello. This option requires a compatible camera. You can log in with a physical security key if you have one. You can log in with your fingerprint if it is supported on your device, and you can log in with a code or password, which we will do. Choose PIN and enter the code consisting of numbers only to be. If you want to use a strong password consisting of letters, numbers, and symbols, check the Include Letters and Symbols box. Here we go. We are done. MD was with you on everything. PS.